This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting your project export ready and signing into Google Drive. First, open iMovie and clean the timeline, trim unwanted clips, and confirm the final order. Once done, choose File Share File to begin export. Pick resolution and codec that balance quality and size. Make sure Drive has enough free space. If not, free up or buy storage. While exporting, open Google Drive so you're ready to upload immediately after the file finishes. You export from iMovie and then move the resulting file into Google Drive. On Mac, after File Share File completes, click Show in Finder. On iPhone/iPad, save to Files. Next, drag the file into the Drive folder in Finder or use the Drive Web Upload button. If you use the Backup in Sync or Drive for Desktop app, place the file into the synced Drive folder so it uploads automatically in the background. Monitor transfer progress. Once uploaded, you must verify and share correctly. Open the uploaded movie in Drive and play a short segment to confirm integrity. This ensures the export settings worked. Then set file sharing permissions or create a shareable link as needed. If you need to save space, consider exporting with a lower bitrate and re-uploading. If upload stalls or fails, cancel and retry using the Drive desktop app, a wired connection, or a different browser. These fixes resolve most transfer hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.